Welcome to a really quick guide about how to use the Warwickshire Scouts video conferencing features that we get as part of G Suite, which is Google's business offering of their normal Gmail, Google Drive products, but they give it for free to charities such as ourselves, and that's going to pay dividends right now. If you want access to this platform, then you just need to message the Warwickshire Scouts Facebook page, and we will reply to you with a username and password. This is how you use that username and password. I'm currently on the Google homepage. I'm going to click sign in and enter the username and password which has been supplied. In this case, it's first.warwickshire@warwickshirescouts.org.uk. Now, all the patterns of usernames and passwords that we're distributing follow the prefix of the group followed by the district. So it could be first Leamington, it could be second Stratford, it could be third Warwick, anything that follows this pattern. Now I'm going to enter the password, which naturally I won't share directly. Security is important. And I'm logged in. If it's the first time you logged into this account, it might ask you to agree to some terms and conditions, or maybe it might ask you to provide a backup phone number for just in case you forget your password. Feel free to read these, follow it through, and then you'll end up in the same place that I am now. What I'm going to do now is click on these three dots up here to access the services that come with this account. And I'm going to click on Meet. This is the product that we're going to be using. When this page loads, you get a very simple interface and you want to join or start a meeting. So I'll click that button and give it a name. So for example, Thursday's Explorer meeting. Press continue. At this point, Google will ask if it can see your camera and listen to you via your microphone. Naturally, these are both very important elements if you're going to be conducting a video conference. So I'm going to click allow. And this is my computer asking for further permission. Click allow again. Likewise, yes to the camera. Now you can see me. This is where it gets pretty simple. You want to join the meeting that you've just set up, so we're going to click Join Now. This window is what you need to share with your membership. By clicking the Copy Joining Info button here, it will copy all the information to your clipboard, which means that as soon as you're ready to distribute that information, it's there for you. So I'm going to head to Gmail. Gmail is Google's email offering, and it comes with this G Suite package that we get. So if I hit compose, and then in the subject of this email, I paste the contents of my clipboard, you can see the information that Google Meet has provided. This can be sent out to your entire section. It's really simple, and the most important bit is this first link here. When someone clicks that on a computer or a laptop, it will take them to Google Meet in a very similar fashion to what we've got here. It'll ask them to input their name, and then they can click to join the meeting. I, as the administrator, and that's the person who set up this meeting, can then approve their access to the meeting. It's just a layer of security so that just anyone can't join your meeting. If they're on a tablet or a phone, be they Android or Apple devices, it will take them to the relevant app store where they can download the Google Meet app, which is sometimes called Hangouts. Once that app's downloaded, they might need to re-click that link and it will add them to the meeting. If there is no internet connected device available, people can phone into the meeting using your average landline or mobile phone. Using this number here, of course, you can put +44 or you can swap that out for a regular 0 and then provide this PIN here. This number is not unique to any of the sessions that we set up. However, this PIN number here is, and it's that needs to be entered correctly in order to connect the person to the right call. then it's over to you. You can conduct your video conference as you want. This is a really new way to carry out weekly scouting, and I will offer you all the technical support I can. If you need some, please message the Facebook page or email media@warwickshirescouts.org.uk. Thanks very much. Good luck.